Do I take the wedge looks off, or is that a risky move? No, I'll leave them on there, an extra line of defence, and I'm not having the same happen as happened last time.
Well, to be fair, it's something that can have as a little bit of damage as well. So.
You haven't started the camera.
That's alright, I was just checking it. It was actually on 3 and 4.
Yeah, cool. Right, so let's do this.
Is that what I want? Yeah, it is. Okay.
Robotics, stand by.
Good luck, everyone.
3, 2, 1. Activate.
That's a bad start.
Oh, that's not a happy sound. Probably shouldn't have tried to spin up there. That was a bad plan in general.
Possibly not. But at least it's got the clutch here. You should be quite good now. Thank you.
Okay. That's what I wanted to do. I am happy now.
My floor! Oh! I've seen this guy before somewhere. Yeah. There he goes. So Jeff's improved a little bit. Go on. Nice.
You might fall out there.
Finish him!
I want the hammerhead. I want the hammerhead.
Oh, you won't take the hammerhead.
Yeah, but it'll look good. And I think that might be weapon down.
Yeah.
That is weapon down.
Yeah, do you want to shove him down the pit just to end this?
Do my best. I'm not sure. Oh, that's a good trigger to that.
That works.
Probably going to get high centered on stuff doing this, but
Yeah, by listening to everything.
just a lover, not a shover.
Yeah.
Oh, nearly. There we go. Very nice. Very well done. That's the lovely gratuitous ones.
Yep, that was very satisfying.
That's a good start to the day, that.